it's Marky. Let's talk about the ANRABESS Sweater Dress. I got this because I love to wear dresses even in the wintertime. This is super warm, super soft, and I love to wear it with tights and boots. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, whatever you want to do. It is a crew neck, so you can still wear necklaces, which is perfect. It is a great material. It's this cable knit, so the perfect kind of really traditional sweater look. It is 100% acrylic material. I've washed it multiple times, I've worn it multiple times, and I have absolutely loved it. I think it's such a great piece. It has really oversized look, so it's not too tight on your body. It's kind of got that looser fit, which I totally love. And I'm going to try it on for you so you can see what it looks like, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that you have seen on, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.